Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Negi Shio butabara udon. It's Meal for One series today, and today's menu is pork udon noodle soup. It's incredibly easy and surprisingly delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Negi Shio butabara udon, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 100 grams of thinly sliced pork rib. It's very thinly sliced like shabu-shabu style. 1 portion frozen udon noodles, Japanese leek. I'm using 1/3 of this. 1 teaspoon each of salt, hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, garlic paste and sesame oil, and ½ teaspoon of soy sauce. Let's slice some Japanese leek. Thin diagonal slices. About this much, like handful. Let's put all these seasonings and 1 cup of water in the Ziploc container here. Salt, hondashi, sesame oil, garlic paste, soy sauce, and water. Put pork rib slices, and if there is any lumpy pork, like slices sticking together, release them. Sliced leek, frozen udon noodles. Put the lid on. Don't set it tight. Just put it on like this and microwave it for 10 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a mix. If the pork is still red, just do a few more minutes. Let's serve in the bowl. Some black pepper if you like. And Negi Shio butabara udon for one is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The broth is full of umami from the pork and it's surprisingly delicious. You really have to try this. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Negi Shio butabara udon is noodles, but it's carb, so it goes here. And it's past the main because udon noodles have some pork. And you can also pass the soup because udon is soupy dish. I want to have little more vegetable and protein. So let's have spinach and egg salad here, and some sort of pickle to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.